I'm going to show you something really cool that you can do with an empty Seint tin. So when you buy Seint makeup, it comes in a little tin like this. You slide the top off and then you pop it into one of our magnetic palettes. And I like to save a few of these for instances like this. So I have some Badger mineral sunscreen and it's very solid, kind of like shea butter. And I'm going to scrape some out of this jar and put it in an empty tin and dig some out of there. And I'm gonna press it into this tin. You can't do this with any kind of lotiony, runny sunscreen because it's going to make a mess, but it's perfect for things like this. I have melasma and I'm not going anywhere without my sunscreen because I need to reapply every 2 hours. This is not gonna go anywhere because it's solid, and I'm going to pop it into my little purse palette. So I usually take this with me. It has some foundation, lip color, concealer, and now I'm going to have my sunscreen in there as well. And it's always going to be with me. It's not going to take up too much space. I could also just put the lid on it and put it in my pocket if I'm not bringing my purse.